Frutti di Bosco, or fruits of the forest, is one of the most iconic Italian sorbet flavors. Made with a mix of different berries, it's known for its vibrant color, bold flavor, and antioxidant-rich ingredients. You'll commonly find strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries, with red or black currants and mulberries often added for extra depth. Feel free to use any berry combo you like, wild or cultivated, fresh or frozen. Great sorbet starts with ripe, flavorful fruit. If berries aren't in season, use a bag of frozen mixed berries. Just defrost them in the refrigerator overnight, like I did in this video. They work just as well. This recipe is adapted from my book, The Art of Making Gelato. Be sure to also check out my video on sorbet base. You'll need that recipe to make this flavor. Now let's get started. In just a few simple steps, you'll have this sorbet churning in your machine. Check the video description for the full recipe and helpful links. This berry-packed sorbet is as creamy as sorbet gets, without any cream or milk. Just remember, it freezes firm, so if it's been in the freezer overnight, let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour before serving. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Real fruit, real flavor, real Frutti di Bosco. For more recipes and videos, check out my channel, For the Love of Gelato. I have videos on how to serve gelato and sorbet at the perfect temperature, how to make an amazing fior di latte gelato, and one of my favorites, how to make gelato shop whipped cream at home. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for new videos, tips, and tutorials. Have a flavor you'd like to see next? Leave a comment below or email me, tips@morganmorano.com. For recipes and answers to all your gelato questions, visit our blog and FAQ section at fortheloveofgelato.com. Our goal is to show you just how simple and fun it can be to make gelato, no matter where you're starting from. With its rich flavor, smooth texture, and low butterfat, Italian gelato and sorbet is not only easy to make, it's also incredibly delicious. I hope you love the video, and thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!